Good morning and welcome back to Tenerife. We've arrived in Tenerife overnight and maybe the sun will come out. It's a bit grey today, but there is blue sky, so that'll be fine. Today we are off to the botanical gardens to have a look. I think they've arranged 2 gardens and then some free time. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to have a makeup free day because I'm planning on using the pool later. But yeah, so we're going to head to breakfast and then let's go on our final excursion of this cruise. Let's go. So I thought I'd talk you through our port day plan. So we tend to get up about 7 each port day. Breakfast is 8. Most of our tours have been at 9 or 9:15. So we tend to just get up at 7, get ready, breakfast at 8, and then it gives us a nice leisurely breakfast. We've been eating breakfast every port day in the main dining room because we don't have a balcony, otherwise I would have a balcony breakfast. So that's what we're going to do. We are being refueled, so we've got a barge next to us, which is quite cool, and it's going to be probably there for most of the day whilst we refuel. But we are heading out. We've changed because whilst there is beautiful sunshine, there is also a very, very big cloud, so we're taking waterproofs just in case. So let's go. And we're the most miserable table of people on our for breakfast. We shared a table and they're miserable. We'll talk about that later, but for now we need to go and get our excursion. Down. It's deck 5 we're disembarking from today. So let's see. So it's deck 4, so 2 more decks. I do really like a deck 8 cabin. Let's see if it's this one. Take me out. Oh, the terminal. Oh, it's not very nice at all. Let's switch my camera off.
The interest of the new Revo, this is for rich families, because medium class people are not able to pay anymore. Cheapest one right now could be something like 500,000 euros of one of that houses. With 2 bedrooms, it was, Iñaki, 249,000 euros. Mortgage, they give to you just the 85%, and you need to have saved money, at least 60,000, 70,000. The rainbow, I have the sun, a little bit, that was programmed to you. So the sun was waiting in this corner, and with plenty of houses at the back, as I was saying. In the 1970s, it was completely green. It was a real paradise. So, well, as I was saying, Alexander von Humboldt, he's considered the father of the modern geography. And so he classified plants, probably here in Puerto de la Cruz. In Santa Cruz, for example, is 22, the average of the whole year. But yes. I can stay and I see all of you. As you see, we are, because you can listen the silence. This is a sustainable tourism. Listen the birds. Okay. Well, so now we have just entered. Remember, 25 past 10, the bus driver will be there waiting to us. In each of the plants that once you start walking along, you will find it. A sign like here with the scientific name, the family name, and you will see the common name in Spanish and where it comes from. For example, this is a Cupressaceae is a cypress. You can see here this tree comes from the southeast of United States. You will be able to see mango. On the island we have mango plantations, we have avocado plantations that you will find it as well here, avocado tree. And if you look at that flower, it could look similar. This in English you call it bird of paradise, isn't it? Do you know, all of you, bird of paradise? Well, we have it here. So if you continue, on the left side you can see the orchids, the largest orchid collection you will see later in Sitio Litre, but here you can see a very beautiful orchids. So
Pretty, isn't it?
if you do it like that and you go around, I'm going to explain you several things. If you continue around, you will be able to... That is pineapple. Okay, pineapple. The variety that we are growing, for example, the place in the Canary Island where we are growing, big pineapple plantation in El Hierro Island. Okay, but in the tail of the duck, in Buena Vista, we have also pineapple. The variety that we are growing here, we have some different ones. One that come from Central America, from Costa Rica. But the main one that they are growing is, they call it Marilyn. Marilyn, remember Marilyn Monroe? Marilyn? And it takes 12 months since we plant the plant till we get the pineapple. But inducted is 9 months, okay? Well, today you will see two different kind of ficus or ficus, depending which side of the Atlantic Ocean you are.
Charles the cheese plant again, would be jealous. Uh-huh. I didn't realise that about birds of paradise.
No, there's a Jackson and then we've got to put it in,
We got
in aspirin.
aspirin.
What, put aspirin in it. Or, that's what they said away, wasn't it? In the hangar. That's good, wasn't it? Some bottlers used to go like to different countries and they would bring...
Oh, stay away from bamboo and all
No,
that.
that.
No, I was looking at these, like how it like comes down and...
Mm-hmm. That's like that other tree over there.
Yeah.
Buenas. ¿Te va?
Sí, mi amigo está abajo.
Ah, vale.
Ok, ¿cuántos son?
Aloe vera. This is the aloe vera barbarensis. You can find it in Fuerteventura Island. We have aloe vera plantations, okay? And the bamboo that maybe before you didn't see it, we have it on the right side. It's a tiny garden, but it's very interesting because they have plenty of plants. And you can see the loft, the owners, Mr. John Lucas and his wife, they take care, and also the gardener on us. He's very kindly with me. When I need a plant, he gives to me. It's not like that. I wanted a coffee. Did you see the coffee trees? Yeah. Did you see on? Yeah. They had plenty of fruit with a red color. I'm going to explain it. You ate it? You have it. Beach, this plant. In English, well, the scientific name, Coccolifera ubifera. And in English, you call it the grape tree. Normally, this is like a bunch of grapes that grow here. And you can find it in Jamaica, you can find it in Barbados, you can find it in all the Caribbean islands. In the island of Tenerife and in the Canary Islands. Still being on the time of the blooming, I have it in my kitchen garden because I have discovered that it's a very good way of getting bees. I'm getting more fruit on my avocado trees and all the fruit trees since I'm planting flowers. So now my kid Charlie is learning, and also thanks to that garden.
survive if I had it.
Well, we get metal and
Ooh. Oh, that's pretty. They're pretty, aren't they? We're off to get the hibiscus, which is my absolute favourite flower. And always makes me think that's a bug of my absolute favourite place in the world, which is Hawaii.
some of them short, and then you've got some of these huge ones.
So big. Oh,
It might not be for some people, but
okay.
it shouldn't be. But it does have.
Quarter past, I think he said. That's alright then. Have a leisurely walk back. Pretty easy going tour. Is it pretty? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Just from side it right across. Oh, maybe it's a different kind of fish. Is that big enough?
Have an ice cream. Overlooking the sea. It's that time of a cruise that everybody hates. Time to pack to go home. Going home tomorrow. Excited to see the dogs. But I've enjoyed the sunshine and my feet not having to have enclosed shoes on. But time to pack. Let's go to the beach house. Beach house time. Right, so a couple of days ago we got our flight information. So it gives you nice information on what to do and also meeting times, talks you through the luggage tags and like things to do before you depart. So we got that. We also got our luggage tags, who are dark blue. So apparently on a chartered flight, which I didn't realise. I thought it was a scheduled. And then some labels. So suitcase is all packed, and we did bring some scales, just some luggage scales to make sure it was still enough. Jet 2 is only 22 kilos, so my case is under that. I will need to weigh Mum's, and then we'll put our labels on, and then they are good to go out, and they go out the night before up to midnight, and we'll see them back in Bristol. There we go, I'm back in our cabin. We had such a lovely dinner at the beach house, so good, and definitely a highlight meal for our trip. So we are just going, we put our suitcases out, so I'm not sure if they're still there actually. I don't remember looking if they're still there. If they are, I'll show you. There they are, outside our cabin, ready to be collected by the crew. So cases are out and ready to be collected. They've got their labels on. So all that is left is just little bits and pieces go in my hand luggage, and we're done. So I will be doing travel day home, so I'll see you in the morning, but thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the morning for travel home day. See you, good night.